All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information, things about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about DogeCoin. Yep, Dogecoin. It's down right this second, so is it a discount buy? It did bounce back a little bit, which is fantastic. We're going to go to the website, go to their Twitter, check out all the things that are going on. And also, Dogecoin is the most traded token among 1,000 largest Binance chain whales. The most traded token is Dogecoin. The whales are all over this second. That's actually fantastic news. So we're going to kind of go over that. That could actually make the coin even go up. Remember what we talk about. You want to pay attention to what the whales are doing. If the whales are swimming to the left, you go to the left. If the whales are swimming to the right, you go to the right. You know, the whales have research. The whales have information that we don't have. So guess what? You kind of pay attention to what the whales are doing. And Tesla is accepting Dogecoin for some merchandise. We all know about that, but that again is so super big. We're going to check that out for a second. And last but not least, New York City mayor gets his first paycheck in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yep, New York City mayor is getting paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Isn't that some pretty good news for the cryptocurrency community? I would think so. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. We'll do a little price prediction on Dogecoin too when we get to the end of the video. Let's go ahead and head over to Dogecoin. All right, over here, coin market cap. Dogecoin's at around 14 cents. Not as bad as look at Solana, 32% down. Look at Polkadot, 24% down. Avalanche, 21% down. Dogecoin is down 11%. Not bad compared to the competitors. Luna, right above them, down 32%. Ding, 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 ding. Discount buy. You may want to look at all these above here. But again, Dogecoin at 14 cents, clicking it. So in the last 24 hours, it's kind of went up a little bit, down a little bit. Now it's bouncing back up. In the last 24 hours, it's down 2%. Checking in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, it's down. But I don't know if you noticed, I know everybody has, the cryptocurrency market has been down the last 5-10 days. So with Dogecoin not being down as much as everybody else, there it is a positive in the right direction. Here, I wanted to show you this on the Twitter account. He says, this gentleman says, I mean, technically, just technically, now you can buy a Tesla electric vehicle with Dogecoin, technically. Now, he's talking about this four-wheeler, okay? It's Tesla, but you could buy this with Dogecoin. Isn't that fantastic? Also, right here, replying to Burger King UK, yes, here's the video proof.
You have invested $1,000 You have invested $1,000.
So you got that right on the Twitter account. Everybody knows this, but Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by Shiba worldwide. Elon Musk thinks we're pretty cool. You know, also right here, what's happening? You can get this Cyber Whistle, 300 Doge. And what does it say? You know, basically inspired by the Cybertrunk, the limited edition Cyber Whistle is a premium collectible made from medical grade stainless steel with polished finish. Cyber Whistles are final sale. So yep, you can get your whistle today. How much does it cost? 300 Dogecoin. Pretty awesome, everybody. All right, here's probably the biggest news here a few days ago. Dogecoin is now the most traded token among the 1,000 largest Binance chain whales. Now, do you think the whales know what they're doing? We all do. Since this meme-based cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, was traded currency token among the wealthiest Binance chain whales in the last 24 hours. What happened? According to the update, the wallet tracker, Doge was the most traded among the 1,000 largest BSC whales. The top 1,000 BSC whales now hold about 46 million Doge, 46,618, according to the whale stats. Doge was trading at a price of about 15 cents. Now we know it's at around 14 cents. But the key thing right here, the whales are trading Dogecoin more than anybody. Fantastic news. Now that could be an indication. You know, you always want to pay attention to patterns and this and that. You know, paying attention to what the whales are doing is always a good indication of things. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Now we're going to go head over to the mayor of New York, getting paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, are we starting to see the pattern here? NFL players are getting paid in Bitcoin. in Ethereum. Different professional people, boxers are getting paid in cryptocurrencies. Now mayors, right here, New York City Mayor Eric Adams receives his first paycheck in the form of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yep, Eric Adams was the mayor of New York City, made a good previous pledge by receiving via automatic conversion his first paycheck in the form of cryptocurrency. According to the Thursday morning statement, the mayor's office, Adams' paycheck was converted into Bitcoin and Ethereum. New York is the center of the world, and we want it to be the center of cryptocurrency and other financial innovations. Adams said in a statement, being on the forefront of such innovations will help us create jobs, improve our economy, and continue to be a magnet for talent from all over the globe. And then look at this. Per the mayor's office, the paycheck was converted via Coinbase. So Coinbase did the conversion. Adam pledged to make the city more crypto-friendly during the campaign for mayor and has recently explored the block. There are limits to what the New York City mayor can do in terms of, the industry member told the block that the visible pro-crypto mayor will prove to be beneficial in the long run. So right there, we got mayors of New York getting paid in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hey, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you want your paycheck in Bitcoin and Ethereum? Would you do it? Well, the thing is mayors are doing it, pro football players are doing it, boxers are doing it. That's kind of a cool thing. All right, let's head back over to DogeCoin, do a little price prediction. Got a little video to play for you too. Just want to show you this. Tesla starts accepting once a joke cryptocurrency, DogeCoin. So yep, Tesla's accepting DogeCoin. Wanted to point that out to you. Going over here to the website, 1 DogeCoin equals 1 DogeCoin. DogeCoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. This one is one I like to play for everybody. Here we go. What is DogeCoin?
DogeCoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes DogeCoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the DogeCoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit DogeCoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. DogeCoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, that's right on the website, right on the DogeCoin website. I think that video is pretty good because it explains what DogeCoin is. All right, what's our price prediction here? Let's go ahead and click this real quick. We know that the coin's at 14 cents right this second. I want to just show you on the chart here. In the last month, how high has this token went? Well, it was at 18 cents. It was at 19 cents. It went as high as 19 cents. How about the last 3 months? 3 months ago, it was as high as 27 cents. It's at 14 cents right now. I'm thinking the coin can easily get to 17 to 18 cents. That's not its high in the last 30 days, but there's so much positive with being accepted by Tesla. You saw that little four-wheeler. You can technically buy that. You can buy whistles. You can buy all kinds of things. Also, the whales are buying more Dogecoin than ever before. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only, but I'm saying 17, 18 cents. That's our price prediction. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, this is a bonus video. We'll see you tomorrow.